Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Taobao to English. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Taobao.com. And there's a couple ways of going about this. If you're using the Chrome browser, up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see this icon right here. And if you click on that, then you're going to see that you have two options. And if we just select English, then you can see now that that has changed the language here to English. Another way of going about that is if we go back to Chinese, if you go to the three little dots here at the top right hand corner, then you'll see the translate option just a little bit further down, and it's basically the same icon as this. This is just a faster way of getting there. But if you click on that, then you'll see it'll bring you to the same page. And also, if you want to change it to a different language, you can see the three little dots here. If you select that, then you can see here where it says choose another language. And then from there, you can select through a variety of languages and then hit translate. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.